Dr. Clapper. So this playlist is all about nutritional wellness and education around the topic. The science has been in for decades, and there's groups of people that are helping preach the good fight out into the public, and some of them are good with their words and some of them are not so good. And quite frankly, I feel like a lot of the reason why so much of the knowledge is left behind in the past and only softly coming through in like documentaries or something like that where it's really breaking through to the public is because there's not a lot of great communicators of the science. Dr. Clapper is definitely one of them. He's deep in knowledge. He has amazing humor, and he's just extremely passionate. And whenever you find someone that's passionate, they're able to communicate well, you can relate with them, you tend to grab onto a lot of what they're saying in a different way. It's easier to learn from someone you can relate with. And so if you're looking into a more plant-based lifestyle and want to find out why having a healthy vegan diet is literally the best diet on the planet for you, Dr. Clapper is one of the guys to be listening to for that. So good luck on your journey. I hope you like it.